All right, listen up. If you have any questions about anything that I missed or say in this video, hit me up in the comments, and I kid you not, I will reply to every single last one of you. Also, if this video helps you out, give me a sub and a thumbs up to help me get into the algorithm. This video is going to be about how to fix or how to get your charging cable into the car itself. This little actuator right here is flipped down and it's engaged and it's preventing the charger from going onto the car. I'm going to show you what not to do and how to fix it. I was all wrong and I was very dumb. All right, so here we go. So here's what I did wrong first. I tried to manually flip this actuator up into the car so I can lock it onto there. Good thing that I didn't try too hard, because I would have broken the mechanism and perhaps I would have, I don't know, completely disabled the car from being charged, and that would have probably cost me a lot of money. Next, I went inside the car and I started messing with the menu, and it took me about 5 minutes to get to the actual charging part. But right here, I pressed these buttons. I was listening to see if I heard the mechanism go up. So I had to get out the car and keep checking to see why or see if it was popping up, but it wasn't. I kept looking at it. I was standing in the blazing El Paso Inferno heat. Then I realized that there is a little button that's right here that I did not catch. I don't know, maybe because it's all matte black, or I'm just a dumb, silly American and I'm stupid, but this is how I fixed it and now it's working. All right, guys, it's a wrap. If you have any questions about anything, hit me up in the comments. If this video helped you, give me a thumb up. Pretty please hit the subscribe button. You don't have to, but it costs you no money to subscribe. Also, if you have any questions about CAT scan, X-ray, MRI, ultrasound, they are all 2-year programs and they pay more than all bachelor's degrees. So if you have any questions about that, I can answer all your questions, how to get started, where to find a school, all that stuff. Also, Master's in Healthcare Administration, and in 2025, I'll be a PhD in Healthcare Administration. So if you have any questions about that or what you can do with all that when you're all grown up, hit me up. All right, bye. Also, if you want to hang out with me outside of YouTube, I play this video game called Dead by Daylight. It is cross-play enabled. I play on a PlayStation 5. My gamer tag is Hard Body Tough, capital H, capital B, capital T, Hard Body Tough. Tough is spelled T-O-U-G-H instead of T-U-F-F. Hard Body Tough is my gamer tag. All right, guys, peace out for real.